Hi, today I'm going to show you how to group 3D shapes in Paint 3D. So if you want to do it, you need to go to 3D shapes, and now you need to select one from few available 3D objects. For example, I select here cube, and I draw here a simple cube. It has been successfully inserted here. Of course, we need to click outside this cube, and then we need to select another one object. For example, I click on tube, and I insert here somewhere here. In this way we have created here two objects. So now I press and hold shift from my keyboard and I click on this one shape. Now two objects have been successfully selected, and if we want to group it, we need to select this one option. It will let you to group objects, to move, resize and edit them all together. So I click on it, and now these both objects have been successfully grouped. Now you can easily change position of these objects, and of course if you want you can ungroup these objects if you will select this one option. So on this way you can easily group or ungroup objects in Paint 3D. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.